Hello everyone, welcome back. So now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. And what we have been doing in EVS? We have been learning about something which is going on, even it's today. What we are celebrating? A festival, Diwali, isn't it? So we have been learning about different festivals. So what we are going to do? We are going to have a quick revision and we'll be looking to some questions and searching for their answers as well. Isn't it? So class, before moving towards the pictures, towards those questions, I have a question for you. How many types of festivals we have? Can anyone tell me? There are two different types of festivals, isn't it? So which are those two different types? One is National Festival. One is National Festival. And which is the other one? The other one is religious festivals. Yes. So, how many national festivals we have? We have three national festivals. That is Republic Day. We have Republic Day. We have Independence Day, and we have Gandhi Jayanti, isn't it? Then class, after these three national festivals, we have also learnt about different religious festivals, and we have seen there are n number of religious festivals. We have Holi, Diwali, then we have Lohri, we have Janmashtami, we have Christmas, Pongal, Onam. Different people of India, different religions, the people belonging to different religion, they celebrate different types of festivals, isn't it? So we'll be having a quick revision of all these festivals once again, and after that I have a very beautiful work activity for you all. See, today we all are celebrating Diwali, isn't it? Isn't it class? So, a very small beautiful work for you all, which you are going to do on book page number 46. So, which book is this? This is your fun sheet book. Fun sheet book. Page number 46, and on this page you will find a rangoli. You know, on Diwali we make rangolis in our home. Yes, so there is a beautiful rangoli design given there. You have to color it using your oil pastels or crayon colors. Okay, but before going towards this work, let's start a quick revision of our topic, festivals. Okay? So class, as we all have seen, in India we celebrate festivals that is national and religious, isn't it? Now, the first one we have is Republic Day. So can anyone tell me, is Republic Day a national festival or a religious festival? Yes, 26th January, or you can call it Republic Day, is our national festival and it is celebrated by the whole nation. पूरी country इसको celebrate करती है. because we got our constitution in act on this day. Then we have Independence Day. So what is Independence Day? The day on which we got our freedom, and we celebrate this day as Independence Day. And on which day we do it? On 15th August. Understood? On 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. And again, Independence Day is our national festival. Now the next one we have is 2nd October, which is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. So is Gandhi Jayanti a religious festival or it's a national festival? It's a national festival. So why we celebrate this day, class? Because on this day our father of the nation born. कौन किसका बर्थ हुआ था? गांधी जी का. And he is called father of our nation. And you know what these wise 3 little monkeys sing to us? See no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. And with that, Gandhiji was always supporting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He wanted our country to be as clean as possible. Then we have Lohri, one of the very important festivals celebrated in Punjab. People there, what they do? They dance, they sing around a bonfire. Bonfire क्या होती है? जब सर्दी में हमें ठंड लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हमें कैसी bonfire लगा लेते हैं and we dance, we sit around it and we take the warmth. हम उससे उसकी warmth लेते हैं. So in Punjab, people they celebrate Lohri with great enthusiasm. Then we have Basant Panchami, which is also called Vasant Panchami. V or B both are correct pronunciations. And on this day, we worship goddess Saraswati. You know who is she? Goddess of wisdom. Goddess of जो हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, जो हम विद्या लेते हैं, तो ये कौन है? विद्या की देवी हैं. She is the one who makes us intelligent. She is the one with whose blessings we learn so many things. Then we have Holi. So we all know Holi is the festival of colors. What we do? We play with so many colors with our friends. We play with them and enjoy the day. Again, it's a religious festival. Then we have Baisakhi as the harvesting festival of our country. So what happens on this day? All the farmers, they go to their fields and cut the crops, and these crops, whatever they cut and collect, is used to feed the whole nation. हम सबको खाना इन्हीं किसानों की, इन्हीं farmers की वजह से मिलता है खाने को. Then we have Raksha Bandhan, a bond of love between a brother and sister when the sister ties Rakhi on brother's hand. After this, we have Janmashtami, which is celebrated as birth of Lord Shri Krishna. Then Dussehra. So why we celebrate Dussehra? We celebrate Dussehra for the victory of good over evil. And how it happened? When Shri Ram killed Ravana. And how we celebrate? By burning the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna. So what we are doing today, we are all celebrating Diwali. So I hope all your house, they might be decorated with lots of lights, other decorations. You all might be cleaning your houses and enjoying a lot of sweets. So we celebrate Diwali when Shri Ram returned back to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. Then this is Eid, which is celebrated by Muslim community. What they do, they go to mosque, offer worship, offer their prayers, eat semiyar, wish each other Eid Mubarak and celebrate the festival. Then we have Guru Purv, which is celebrated as birthday of 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And people, they go to Gurudwaras, then they take prasad from langar and they do seva there. Now class, which festival is this? Christmas. And it is celebrated as birthday of Lord Jesus. So what we do, we decorate Christmas trees, we decorate our homes again with lights, and Santa Claus comes and gives us gift. We celebrate it with lot of cake, chocolates, hot chocolates and all these things. Now class, you have to answer these questions, and with that you are also going to do the work which I told you given in your fun sheet book. Understood? Hope you have understood it well. Time for you all to finish your work.